Hi, good afternoon. This is Alex for Internet Real Secret. Today I would like to walk through with you one of these bundles of 11 making money making product for the price of one. So this product is called Wallet Warmerz. It's going to be launched on the 13th like 10 a.m. EST. It's just a few hours before the launch. So I'm recording this video just to showcase to you what is inside this 11 product bundles, right? Okay, so basically you can look at this sales page, get your wallet Warmerz mega bundle is set over 32%. So this is 11 already hot on demand product have got a lot of sales which was actually uh, it's on sales in Wallet Plus, right? It was launched this year by this guy called these three guys called Johnny Ross, Phillips, Johansson and Dan Hanks, right? So you can look at what is inside these 11 bundles, right? So this is the product Warmerz 11 customer proven product for the price of one. So the exclusive wallet collections, when purchased separately, you purchase each of these products is going to cost you more than 100 US dollar, right? So first thing first is this Blackbird mouse bug is one of the first product. How we make money fast when talking on the phone from home. So this is actually we show you how you can actually make money while you are talking on the phone. Okay. Then the second here is the Kingdom Builders. The blueprint to grow your online income for job basic income, right? Okay, so this is step by step from scratch to basic income. Siphon unlimited free YouTube traffic. This is product talking about how to get traffic from YouTube. The next one is a coronavirus cash flow. This one is the pandemic proof way of making money. It's called how to make money online while self-isolating at home, right? So while you're isolating yourself, how you can still make money in this pandemic season, right? The fourth one is a superstar cash grants, right? The fifth one is a grant. This is how you can harness from free traffic from Instagram and Instagram story to make thousands. Okay. Next one is instant sales magicals, right? It is also one of these product which have over 2,000 sales copy, right? Copy and paste blueprint that used to make 500 plus in a day. So it teaches how to make 500 plus dollar in a day, right? Basic profile profit also this another product, right? High ticket, you know how to make high ticket commissions, right? Essentially is also one of the training course, right? Okay, the grand champions the new way to profit inside the online value the customer love. Okay, go rush, how to harness your company point of our Snapchat is how to make your Snapchat to actually to make money. Okay, 4 second traffic, right? Okay, this is one of the hot product. So all these 11 product you can actually get the price of just one product. So the product actually it costs you to get money one of this so this is actually my bonus page here. If you click the link below this video, you will come to this bonus page. So which I also showcase to you what are the bonuses you're getting today, right? If you purchase a wallet Warmerz, right? Okay, so this is this product will be launched today 9 a.m. EXT, right? Okay, so it's set you hill of 11 winning money making product for the price of one, right? Okay, so this is wallet Warmerz is all about this 3 product for the price. Actually, so this is 11 product for the price of one. The best gift that you can get is result, right? So this is funding is only $12.95. So for only $12.95, you're getting 11 hot on demand product, which you can actually expect your success in make money online, right? Okay, so it's a fun game and also get access to 11 of best community product. Okay, so which I also walked through just now. The 37 Wonder Bar Wonder Pro 37. We also get the Pro promotion, more product, more training, more value, more result. The other upsell is a line for the package. You will get all the line for your template for all product. This is a good one, unlimited to line for your custom email shop. So I strongly encourage you to pick up this DIY package also, because it comes with line for you, template for all product, including unlimited to line for your custom email, video, template, Instagram post, campaign. So for each of these 11 products, you're going to get all these marketing material to help you to actually promote the product and also make a lot of money out of this product. Unlimited traffic, you will get to our visit or our sales page. Okay, so this is another good way you can actually you have your Google visit on their sales page, and whenever anyone visit their sales page, also we also be part the visitor will also be part of your visit also, right? So these are some of the this so-called upsell. So I strongly recommend you to pick up the line for you package, right? So let's look at what kind of bonus I'm offering here. The first bonus is I'm going to offer to you my line for your money. This is my wedding daters make money online subscriber, which I launched a few weeks ago on OnePlus. So you are going to get this as one of my bonuses here. So this is ready. So you're going to get 50k ready. Make money on this when you can actually make money on file to this 50,000 subscribers. The next one is the email nomination, is email marketing video training course, which actually you can learn the A to Z how to do a proper email marketing. The third one is my ultimate collection of email short file and also kill the headline. So you can actually make use of my email short file and 100 kill the headline to actually to write your email content. And with this, you can actually customize all this email content to promote the different affiliate marketing product, right? The next product model is bulk email using Gmail. You can actually send a bulk email using Gmail for free. So this is tips that you can actually learn from this bonus, right? The next one is IMPL Upwork product, which I'm going to be launched soon on the Plus. So I'm giving to you lifetime access to unlimited internet marketing, PLR with the course and ebook download. So I'm only giving this for the first 20 customers. So you need to first come first serve, and to pick up my IMPLR work. Inside the IMPLR work, you're going to get access to thousands of ebook and video training course in the niche of internet marketing. You can actually be planned, you can actually customize, you can actually change the content of the title of this IMPLR, and I also give you the resale life of this IMPLR. It's up to you. You want to give away this as a bonuses when you promote other people's product, or you want to actually make money from this PLR product, because you can actually just upload this PLR product and video training course ebook, and just can actually sell it to others people who are interested and make a lot of money out of this PLR. But the good part is you're going to get unlimited access. You know, just 10 or 20 PLR, but unlimited access. So you can take a look at this. Is the PLR I'm going to launch soon with OnePlus. So this is the PLR product I showed you just now. I'm going to give you free. You're going to get more than 3,000 the review for the January 2016 until now, including the new content was going to be published every month. Okay, so just now this is a none for the money. This is going to get this product for free as part of the bonuses, right? So this is one, right? Okay, so other than that, you are going to also to get my previous CPA marketing course, right? And this is also one of the products I have launched before in the Plus. You're going to get this for free and learn how to do a CPA marketing plan. So the last one is 200 special bonus giveaway, right? So under this collection, there are 200 very special bonus giveaway, which I'm going to give you as part of these bonuses. So this bonus collection have more than 200 make money online video training course software application plug-in tools, etc. And all this is we getting as part of these bonuses. One of these 7 bonuses I'm going to give away. So inside one of these 7 bonuses, right, actually total you're getting more than 250 bonuses. Out of this bonuses, 3 is actually my own product. This my own product you're not going to get from other internet marketer promoting the same product like this, right? So you're going to get from me this 3 new product and also more than 200 others training, make money online training course, ebook tools and application, right? So I can quickly show to you, preview to you what is inside this 200 plus mega bonus collection. So this is what you can see, right? So these are the tools and you are going to get under this collection on the 200 very special bonus giveaway. A lot is premium traffic generating software. Some is an email swap. Some they are also email marketing video training course. They are also YouTube marketing video training course. And also I'm giving to you my also the capture page which I have been using to build my list with the internet marketing niche, right? Okay, so also inside here you are going to get 80 video training course. For these are the 80 video training course, very hot popular video training course for very famous internet marketer which have been launched sometime this year and last year. So I managed to get a collection from them and I'm giving to you as part of the bonuses. So this is a very good high quality video training course, but it's not a PLR kind of video training course which you're going to get as part of the bonuses here, right? So this is a little bit about my bonuses. So I hope now you have a better idea what kind of bonuses you are getting. You are getting 250 plus bonuses, which is you are not going to get all these bonuses if you purchase this product. It's called Warmerz from other internet marketer. You are only to get all these bonuses if you purchase this Warmerz via my bonus page here. When you click the link below this video, you come to this bonus page and click on any of these orange button here, and you're going to come to this sales page, right? And once you purchase the Warmerz Warmerz here via this green button inside this sales page, you're going to get all these bonuses here, right? So that is the best bonus package I'm able to offer to you if you purchase this wallet Warmerz via the link below this video. I hope you enjoyed my presentation today. Jump on as an early bird to get a lower price of $13. Actually it's only $12.95 of this 11 product for the price of 1. And on top of this 11 product, you're going to get my mega bonus collection, more than 250 bonuses I'm giving away. Outside of these bonuses, I'm giving my very brandless, very high quality, my own product, DIY money list, and also my internet marketing PLRs download portal, and third one is my CPA marketing course. Okay, so you're going to get this just everything for just $12.95. Okay, so without further delay, click the link below this video and write off this big high quality info product and buy bonuses. Thanks a lot for watching my presentation today. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.